Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Susan. So if you're a returning person, thank you so much. So today I'm going to be creating another makeup look. You know, it's that time of the year where we celebrate Christmas, the birth of Jesus, where we put up Christmas tree, buy gifts and all that stuff. So in my last video, there is a fellow YouTuber, a friend who actually reminded me that I needed to do a Christmas makeup look. Her channel is Jessie Queen. You can go check her out. She has some amazing content. Okay guys, so in today's video it's gonna be a makeup video, Christmas makeup look. We're going to try and keep it simple, so let's begin. So of course, as usual, I'm gonna be starting with my eyebrows, and I need my spoolie, so like that. Thinking of doing a simple eyebrow tutorial, one that doesn't take long to achieve, like few minutes, 1 2 3. Yeah, so now we're going to try and comb out the excess, of course. Next step is I'm going to clean up my brows. I'm going to be using the Elegant Pro concealer. It's the toffee shade, of course. If you've been on my channel for a long time, you know that I use this concealer way too much. I'm going to get my beauty blender. It's a tiny one, and that's what I'm going to use for my to clean up my brows. After cleaning up my eyebrows, as you can see, I'm going to get my concealer. It's the Infinite from Revolution. It's the Conceal and Define concealer, and they say it's a 16-hour wear. Okay, so now normally after my after basing my eyelid here, the next step would be to use a powder. Okay, and if you've watched my videos, you've noticed that I use this powder a lot, but I don't think this time around I'm going to use a powder. Ask me why. Because I don't think this concealer is going to crease. I've used it, it's now up to 2 minutes or something, but there is no sign of creasing at all. No creasing, no nothing. So the next step is we're going to move on to the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this Color Studio eyeshadow. It's from Beauty Glazed. Guys, I got it off Amazon. It's very cheap and very nice. Trust me, got all the colors, it got you covered. So the next step is of course removing. The first color that I'm going to go with is going to be the black here. So now for my red, I'm going to be using again the same brush that I've used for black. Okay, and this is where it is. This is the way we're going for. This is it. I'm going to dab off the excess. See that? Now I'm going to again put it in the red, in the black. Okay, I'm going to get my red and I put it in the black. Next up is I'm going to get my concealer again, the Revolution concealer, and we're going to cut the crease. Okay, since it has a bigger brush, this is what I'm going to use for that. Okay, you always want to start off with little product. So after our cut crease, this is it. So we're moving on back to our palette, and I am going with this color. There is this color here, I don't know, it's not yellow, it's I think it's cream or something like that, eh? That's what I'm going for. For that, I'm going to use this brush. We're going to pack it onto our crease. Now, after applying our white, as you can see, okay, it's white Christmas. So we're going to go back in again with our red, okay, dab off the excess of the brush, and then we try to blend that in. Blending is the key. Now we are moving on to our face, and I'm going to be using the primer from Sleek Makeup. It's the hydrating primer, okay. We need to glow up a little bit. It's Christmas, okay. So I'm going to use my Born to Glow. It's from, is it NYX or NYX? I'm not sure. So notice that I'm using this before my foundation. Okay, now we're moving on to foundation. The one that I'm going to use is my favorite as of right now. So it's the Life Proof foundation from Sleek. Now it came with a sticker that is stuck on it, but I'm going to leave a picture here so you can see it. It's the LP23 shade. Okay, so now I am going to get my bee blender, and I'm going to get a spray, okay, because I want it a little bit damp. The skin, oh, I hate pimples. So yeah, and for my under eye, I'm going to be using again the Pro Concealer, and in dark shade, okay, dark cocoa, that's what they call it, dark cocoa. My nose, I'm going to use a lighter one. That's the toffee shade. So now I'm going to use my tiny bee blender, and to try to blend that. Okay. I'm going to get my powder from Velvet, and we are going to set our concealer. I'm definitely going to set it with a setting spray, of course. So yeah, my beautiful people, our video has come to the end. Let me know what you think about that whole look. I don't know if it is simple as I said at the beginning, or in the beginning, because I said it's gonna be a simple makeup. I don't know if it is simple, but to me it's okay. It is simple. It hasn't given me that much of a hard time. So let me know what you think about it. Let me know what's it for you. Is it the brows, the eyes, the full face? I don't know. Leave the comments in the sections and I'll be reading all of them, guys, and replying to them. Now, something that I can never forget is please subscribe if you haven't already. Join our family, join our big, because this family is huge. Go ahead and subscribe and give the video a like, all that goody stuff. Okay, so happy holidays, Merry Christmas in advance. I know this video is going to be out before Christmas, but anyways, Merry Christmas. Just praise the God, worship your God, pray to him. Who are we that have come to the end of this year, guys? So many people have gone. I know it's not over yet, it's not finished yet, it hasn't ended yet, but so many people have gone. Okay, guys, so we just need to praise the God in whatever religion you believe in, and live happy, enjoy your life, stay safe, stay blessed, and I love you all. Bye.